Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging question from radical equations for the real values of x. So let's get started. I will take this cube root term to the RHS first. So I can write RHS first. X square minus of cube root of x power 6 minus 52 equal to 4. Now we can take this minus sign into this radical. We will get x square plus cube root of 52 minus x power 6 equal to 4. Now we can write our equation x square plus cube root of 52 minus x power 6. I can write x square and then whole cube. RHS is 4. Now we can assume x square equal to a. So our equation will be in variable a. I will write a plus cube root of 52 minus a cube equal to 4. Now I will consider our substitution once again. Let me write here a plus cube root of 52 minus a cube equal to 4. Let's say this radicand equal to b cube. So from this substitution I can write 52 minus a cube equal to b cube, or we can write a cube plus b cube equal to 52. And from the original equation after substitution we can write a plus cube root of b cube equal to 4, or a plus b equal to 4, as we can cancel cube root with cube. So we have two equations, a plus b equal to 4, and second equation is a cube plus b cube equal to 52. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. Let's solve here using algebraic formula. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. Now a plus b was 4. Second equation a cube plus b cube was 52. So we will get a plus b whole cube. I will write 4 cube equal to a cube plus b cube 52 plus 3 times ab times 4. So 64 will be equal to 52 plus 12ab. 64 minus 52 will be equal to 12ab. 64 minus 52 is 12 equal to 12ab. Now we can divide both sides by 12. We will get ab equal to 1. Let me write here ab equal to 1, and our equation a plus b was 4. So from here I can write b will be equal to 4 minus a, which I will apply here, equal to 1. Let's solve this quadratic equation. 4a minus a square equal to 1, or I can write a square minus 4a plus 1 equal to 0. Now I can take this 1 to the RHS. So I can write a square minus 4a equal to minus 1. Now we will use completing the square method. So I will add 4 to both sides. 4 here, 4 this side also. So LHS will give us one perfect square of a minus 2. And RHS will be 3. Now we will consider square root both sides. So a minus 2 will be equal to plus minus square root 3. Or I can write a will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 3. Let me write here a equal to 2 plus minus square root 3. Now our substitution was x square equal to a. So in place of a I can write x square. This will be equal to 2 plus minus square root 3. Both values are positive, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, as root 3 is 1.732, which is smaller than 2. So x square will be positive, all solutions will be real. So x will come out plus minus square root of 2 plus minus square root of 3. Now I can write x will be equal to plus minus square root of. Let's multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So I will write here 4 plus minus 2 root 3. Numerator is multiplied by 2. So denominator will be 1 times 2 is 2. This can be written as plus minus square root of 4. We can split 3 plus 1. And I can write 3 as root 3 square. 1 I can write 1 square. Then here it is plus minus sign. 2 times root 3 times 1, which is 2 root 3 over 2. Now numerator will give us one algebraic formula, a plus b whole square, or a minus b whole square also. So I can write x will be equal to plus minus square root of root 3 plus minus 1 over 2. Let me write here plus minus square root of root 3 plus minus 1 whole square over 2. Or I can write x will be equal to plus minus. This will cancelled out once I will split our radical or square root. Root 3 plus minus 1 whole square over root 2. Now we can cancel a square root with a square in the numerator. So we will get x equal to plus minus a square root 3 plus minus 1 over square root 2. So we will get 4 real solutions. If I will write, here it is. So we have overall 4 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.